Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had an amazing holiday and new year, and welcome back. I'm going to be cleaning out my closet today. This is the first video in my cleaning series that I'm going to be doing on here, so I hope you all enjoy this video, and if you are not subscribed yet, this is your reminder to do so, and let's get right on into this video. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with. It's not awful, but there's a lot of stuff in here I don't wear. So first what I'm going to do is just kind of go through everything and pick out what I haven't worn in like the last year, and throw that in a pile, and we will continue on after that. Okay, so here's what we're working with so far. These pants are from when I had a summer job a couple years ago. I don't know if I want to keep them or not because they are good like work pants to have, but because I don't really work in an office anymore, currently I don't know if I want to keep them. A lot of clothes. Doesn't look like I made that big of a dent, but I will organize this in a second. But now we're going to move on down here. But yeah, good progress so far. Got a decent amount of hangers. Let me count them up real quick. Okay, so we have a dozen empty hangers, which is great. So let's move down here now. Okay, so this is where I'm struggling, because I have a lot of t-shirts, but I don't really have any, like I had, like this drawer had like all white and black t-shirts, but I never really touched this drawer, so, unless I'm like looking for a specific t-shirt. So, what I'm going to do is try to figure out a different way to organize these, kind of just like sort them out a little bit. I'm not sure if I want to do it by like color or, because that obviously doesn't work. Because like I have t-shirts I wear more often obviously, and I have t-shirts I don't wear more often, but you need to figure out. And there are some t-shirts I like forgot I had. This is more difficult than I expected, but because I don't really want to get rid of any of these. That's my problem. I don't know what to do, y'all. I'm gonna think for a little bit. Okay, so I went with like the merch shirts in this bigger drawer because I have more of them, and the not merch shirts in here. Also these are still all mostly white and black, but yeah, that is where I'm going now. Now to this drawer down here. Okay, for now, I think this is a pretty good, okay, for now, I think this is pretty organized. I got a good, decent pile of clothes on the ground that we're going to go through now and either sort for Goodwill or Plato's, and anything that doesn't sell at Plato's I'm going to sell online, so we'll figure that out. I do have some stuff in here that I might need to get rid of eventually, but we will probably do that come, like, late spring. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just kind of sort things out, what needs to go to Goodwill and what needs to, what can probably go to Plato's. I'm just going to put everything in a pile and then move on from there. This I might save for Plato's. If you don't know, Plato's Closet that buys your clothes and then turns around and sells them, you can look on their Instagram to see what they're buying. So like if I have like bathing suits or like tank tops that aren't really something that they would be buying now, you can wait and buy it later. I forget where I got this beanie. Yeah, so you can go online and see what they're buying. Lots of them have Instagrams, but that's the way to be the most successful, going to Plato's. I'll see if my mom wants that. These. But yeah, just paying attention to brands and sizes too are a big thing. That'll probably be from Plato's. I really wish I didn't have to get rid of these other pants, but every time I put them on, they just don't fit me quite right. They're a little too big, and they don't look how I want leather pants to look. So I'm just going to go ahead and give these to Plato's, see if they buy them, and if not, I will try to sell them and get a pair that actually fits. I also saw somewhere that says if you remove the date tags from clothes, they'll take them. I don't know how true that is, but that is what I'm going to try. Probably going to resell this one on Mercari and this one as well. Yeah, and some of these I know they won't take right away, so I'm probably just going to put them aside and try to sell those in the summer. Okay, that is probably all for this video. I might take some clips of showing how much I got from Play-Dohs if they give me any money for the clothes. But yeah, I hope I give you a little bit of advice when you sell to Play-Dohs, and this video isn't sponsored by Play-Dohs or anything. I just clean out my closet quarterly, and I decided to take y'all along this year. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my other platforms so you never miss an upload from me, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.